Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share a very healthy jaggery syrup recipe that's an excellent substitute to refined sugar. As we already know, jaggeries are energy-rich natural sweetener and they are power-packed with full of minerals and healthy nutrients. So let's learn how to make this syrup at home, and we'll also show how to make jaggery tea along with some useful tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. So let's start. This is the palm jaggery that's derived from the palm tree and it's normally dark in color. And the other one is canned jaggery that's derived from sugarcane. Both are great, however palm jaggery is considered better comparatively. Today I'm gonna make syrup using palm jaggery. You may use the same method with canned jaggery too to make syrup. Now place the palm jaggery into a saucepan. That's around 500 grams I have taken. And then add equal quantity of water, that's 500 ml. Now keep the flame on medium level and place the pan over it. Now allow it to boil until jaggery melts completely. Many find it difficult to scrape or break the jaggery, hence end up using sugar in many recipes. However, if you make syrup as I am showing now and store it, it will be very easy and convenient to use as and when required. Slowly, you can see the jaggery has started melting. Keep stirring often to avoid burning at the bottom. Some also prefer to break the jaggeries first and then continue this step. However, I follow this way, which is very easy and simple. Now you can see the jaggery is melted completely. Now continue to cook the syrup until it gets slightly sticky and thick consistency. Do not overcook as it will get harder and start crystallizing. Once you see this one string consistency, at that stage switch off the flame. Do not cook more than that as jaggery thickens more upon cooling down. Hence ensure it's neither too thick nor runny. With this method you will certainly get honey type flowing consistency. Some of the incredible health benefits of using jaggery syrup are: it's a very healthy sweetener and a perfect substitute to refined sugar, and is a rich source of iron, potassium and calcium. It increases hemoglobin, improves digestion and also helps in treating cold and cough. And most importantly, it's an energy booster. Hence this syrup is a must in every household. Now while jaggery is still hot, we need to filter this syrup. So strain the hot syrup with a filter into another vessel, and this will remove any impurities that's left. As you can see. Now allow to cool the syrup completely. After cooling down, look at it. Look at it, how smoothly it flows. This is the perfect consistency which we are looking for. Isn't this looks like a honey consistency? It's absolutely perfect. Now always use clean and dry spoon every time while using it. Now transfer the jaggery syrup into a clean and a dry glass jar. And you may refrigerate it for 2 months. I normally make it in small batches and ideally it gets over in a month. A very healthy palm jaggery is perfectly ready. You may use this jaggery in making normal tea or coffee and also to make variety of sweet dishes or desserts. Today I'm gonna share how to make a jaggery tea that's mine and my family's favorite using this syrup. So let's learn. To make jaggery tea, I'm taking a cup of milk and a cup of water, as I'm gonna make it for 2. And then gonna take around 1.5 teaspoon of tea powder. You can adjust according to your taste. And then finally homemade palm jaggery for sweetener, which will taste best. It's a very basic tea, so you may add cardamom or cloves if required. So let's start. Into a pan add water, then goes in milk and the tea powder. And then allow the tea to cook. Once you have tea or coffee using this jaggery, you will truly love the unique and best taste, as it tastes way better than sugar. Do try once to believe it. Tea is boiled and cooked now. A very important tip is never add syrup in boiling tea or milk, as it will curdle. So follow this step once tea is ready. Filter the tea in a cup. Once the tea is filtered, then we're going to add the palm jaggery syrup into it. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon jaggery syrup for each cup. You may adjust as per taste. And then you can see it didn't curdle, and you'll get a perfect and a best jaggery tea. It tastes way better than any normal tea, as the jaggery itself will enhance the taste and flavor. As you have seen, I haven't added any cardamom or clove. Still, it will stand out to be the best tea you would have ever tried. Finally, one last tip. It happens to me especially many times that I forget to drink tea and it cools down. Now the question is, will the jaggery tea curdle up if we reheat it? So let's see. I'm reheating my tea and keeping the flame on low medium and allowing to heat up in the same flame. As soon as you see the smoke appearing, it means it's completely warm and hot, and it didn't curdle. Even if I pour it in a cup, you can see a perfect super tasty jaggery tea is absolutely ready. When you start using this syrup, you'll definitely note the difference in taste with the same dish which you'd have tried with sugar. Trust me, it tastes that best. So do try this amazing natural sweetener and enjoy the unique and tasty flavor of it. Hope you liked this healthy jaggery syrup recipe. If so, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and also like and share it. Soon we'll be coming up with another interesting video. Until then, take care of yourself. Happy cooking. Bye bye.